Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, March 13th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So I'll be trading the June contract at a nice premium to it, but that doesn't change the fact of what's going on in this marketplace. You can see we rallied overnight only to give it all back, and now we're testing Friday's lows. Again, I will not be back adjusting. So I won't be carrying. If we're above the single prints from Thursday, I'll be taking them off. We'll figure that all out as the day goes along. But I will not back adjust. Bottom line is this. We had an outside week down. The daily is down. We had our heaviest volume just under 190 million and probably close to, it has to be over about 7-8 months, the heaviest volume. We'll see if that continues. NQ, pretty much doing the same thing. Overnight, they actually took out Friday's high and now have come back in. And as far as the righty, they're right now below Friday's low. Again, I'm all in the June contract for all of these. Pre-market volume right now, pretty heavy, 3.4 million. You're going to get a lot of things out throughout the day, the week. With the situation with the bank, the bank's going to be a ever-changing process. If there's danger of another one going under, what's the federal government going to do to either let them go under or backstop them? So just be careful. Make sure you play smaller and definitely use stops. We have CPI again tomorrow morning. Don't forget. Biden has twice made references to it being okay. Whether that's a hint that something has been leaked or whatever, it remains to be seen tomorrow morning. But as far as today, Friday, we had nothing to lean on. Remember, we didn't hold any single prints on Friday. Attempted to have a trend day up, failed. We attempted to have a trend day down, failed. We did have the afternoon rally high in K. That's still in force right now. Doesn't matter that we got above it in the overnight. So right now, couple of things. If we open inside the day's range and push up to its K's high, it's a good risk reward short. It's right below half back from Friday and overnight half back. I would use that as my out on a short. Okay? If we gap lower, which again is a very strong possibility considering it's the year of the gap, depends on how large the gap is. They have not held, so keep that in mind. If the gap's $1 or less, again, I'll probably look to take a short against it. If it opens and starts driving straight up where it looks like they can fill it right away like they've done, I might jump on the other side for a quick 3 to 4 points just to fill the gap and then look for a short possibly against the gap fill or if it pushed up to around settlement or value low. Again, these are all early plays. This situation is going to be changing continually here. So remember, we're dealing with very, very fragile, emotional, short-term traders and machines. Now, we're going to see if the volume continues like it did Friday, if there is another time frame in here. That's definitely something to be made aware of, okay? Because as we all know, long-term money can absorb short-term money. The opposite is not true. So if long-term money decides to start selling this market, it's not going to be absorbed by the retail traders, and the algorithms just walk away. There are no market makers. Please keep that in mind. And then just quickly on the chart. So here's the weekly. Outside week down. We're below that lower high trend line from all of last year. That's not something to ignore. Okay, the next question becomes, are we going to start another lower high from our yearly high made back in early February? Okay, definitely something to keep an eye on. And the daily is firmly down right now. We're below the 20, the 50, and the 200. The 20 is rapidly curling back over to possibly cross back over the 50. Right now, it looks like we might get sucked into this wide balance that we got out of back in early this year, with the ultimate destination to the bottom of that balance is around the 374.77 level. So keep that in mind. Any acceptance back into this balance, and that can certainly be our target to the downside. Hope you have a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Good luck, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.